Welcome back to And Then There Was Style. Hello, friends, once again. So, this is going to be my monthly video on rooms that I just have absolutely loved and been drawn to for the month. Some of my favorite rooms. I just thought I would open it up for you. So, you're going to see two main types of styles in this video. One, I have been heavily into modern organic. I guess you can say maybe a little touch of California cool this month. I've never really been heavy into this style before, but the last 3 or 4 months, it's been really weighing on me. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. And I have been into the style to where it's been really heavy on the elements of nature in the room. So you're going to see rooms with a lot of wood, a lot of flowers or plants, just something that really brings nature in, like this plant that you can see here in the bathroom area. Now, what's funny is I'm not really a nature girl, so I don't know where this, oneness with nature is coming from, but I have just been absolutely loving it. This room in particular, I love the sofa. I have been really just, my eyes immediately go to rounded sofas and sofas that have a lot of curves. Just kind of gives a little bit of movement to the room. I love the coffee tables, but they are a bit too low profile for me. I think the room itself is beautiful. I just don't know if I could have these tables in my home. I've also noted this month that I have been really into rooms that are a bit on the darker side of things. Not necessarily just dark and moody, just, not just filled with light like I usually am. That's very different for me. I usually love a light filled room, a room that's just bathing in sunlight. So I'm not really sure where that's coming from either. I'm going to chalk it up to maybe it's fall and my mind is thinking of fall and winter, cozy vibes. So I guess that's where it's coming from. I don't know, but I have noticed that about myself. Let me know in the comment section, what have you been into this month? Does it change month to month? Does your preferred decor style change? Just let me know. Let me know if I'm the only one that just totally switches it up sometime. I absolutely love this coffee table. There's something about that living wood vibe that's going on. I just think it's so gorgeous. Really just revitalizes your room. Even though this whole video is about my favorites, there's something about this room that I just really love. You have your living coffee table there. You have some excitement in the room thanks to that rug with all the geometric lines kind of going crazy. You have some boards at the top. And then, of course, the stark white and then the accent pillows. I mean, this room is doing so much. It's not boring at all, but there's something about it that I really love. So the other style that you will see that I have been really drawn to this month is a very glam room. Now when I was younger, I loved the glam with the diamonds everywhere, rhinestones, sequins. It was a very in-your-face, bold glam. But the older I get, the more I kind of like, I call it understated glam. You see the elements of, the little border, the foot of the chairs underneath the accent chairs, the base of the coffee table in this room still gives you the glam elements, but it's not just so in your face like Liberace style glam. I've also been drawn to a lot of more quote-unquote feminine colors. When I was a little younger, I loved hot pinks and in-your-face purples, but the older I get, I'm loving more of the pastel subdued colors as well. I don't know if I'm getting milder in my old age, but there's just like that dusty rose color I absolutely love. I don't think it's over the top. And I think it can provide a good balance of if you have feminine and masculine energy in your home. It's a style and a color palette that both of you can be okay with. So once again, these were some of my favorites for the month, just a few. Let me know in the comments section if you agree with any of my picks. Are there any ones that you absolutely love? Even if it's not your decor style. It's okay if it's not your decor style and you can just simply say, oh, that's a pretty room. Wouldn't have it in my home, but it's pretty. And let me know what your particular style is right now. What are you feeling? What are you drawn to? Sometimes it changes with seasons. So yeah, I really want to know. Alrighty friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate you taking the time to watch this. If you want to see more, check one of these right here. Also, let me know down below in the comment section if there's a certain video that you'd like to see. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye friends.